this is on the review for Math 85. Okay, it says you have two consecutive numbers, so one of the numbers would be x, and then the next number would be one more than that, or x plus 1. So they say 3 times the smaller one, this is smaller, so 3 times the smaller one, is added to 4 times the larger. Here's the larger, so 4 times the larger one, and the result is 109. There, I've got an equation. Let's use the distributive property there. Collect some x's, move the 4 to the other side and subtract, and divide, and I think that gives you 15. Yep. So the smaller number's got to be 15, and the larger number's got to be one more than that, or 16. Okay? Alright, here's another. They say simplify this, so they just have to subtract. If you don't have an equation, then you can't use the I hate fraction rule. So you have to find a common denominator. First off, let's factor this first one. Minus x over x minus 4. And now I need to get a common denominator. So both of these are going to be my common denominator. Since the one on the right doesn't have an x plus 4, I'm going to put 1 on the bottom. But if I put 1 on the bottom, I have to put 1 also on the top. So my common denominator will be x minus 4, x plus 4. And then on the top, I'll have 7x minus x times x plus 4. Okay, and then on the top there, I think I can simplify that. So it'll be 7x minus x squared minus 4x all over common denominator. And then simplifying, I'd get negative x squared plus 3x over x minus 3x, or x minus 4x plus 4. I'm going to show you how to start with that one. Okay, so if I'm subtracting fractions, it's not an equation. I can't use the I hate fraction rule. Or in other words, multiply every term by a common denominator. I have to actually get the common denominator. Okay, this one they ask you to solve this one to the nearest whatever. It's a quadratic, so I'm going to bring everything over to the left side and then see if I can factor it. So 3y and a y. Ooh, this has to be a 1 and a 1. I don't think there's any way I get 5 out of that. No, guess factoring won't work. So if factoring doesn't work, then I can use the quadratic formula. All over 2a. So the solutions, I guess it should be a 1. Usually we have an x here, but it's the solution to whatever the quadratic is equal to negative. Okay, b is a 5, plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times a is a 3, times c is a negative 1, all over 2 times a is a 3. So I'll have negative 5 plus or minus square root of 25. 12, that'd be plus 12. All over 6. So minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 37. All over 6. So I can get 2 answers to this one then. It'll be negative 5 plus root 37 over 6. And negative 5 minus root 37 all over 6. And I think they want decimal answers, so just do that in your calculator. Make sure you put the using brackets. So, there's another one. They say this thing is a projectile or something, and they want to know what the time is when the height reaches 11. So I need to put an 11 in for where the height is, or the distance, s, minus 3t, and then I'll change it so it's a quadratic, and then again I'll look to see if I can factor that. I don't think I can factor that one either. So if you can't factor, away you go, quadratic formula again. A, B, and C. Plug them in and solve for x. Next question is a trig one, and they ask us to solve for secant. Tell me what the secant ratio is, given that the sine ratio is 3 over 14. Okay, well, one thing I know about the secant is that they're reciprocal of cosine. And cosine of an angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. So secant is going to be hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay, do I know those? I guess sine, I know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I know the hypotenuse is 14. So I could plug that in. But I don't know what the adjacent side is. But I do know I know two of the sides. So opposite squared plus adjacent squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. And I can plug that in and solve for, looks like I'm solving for the adjacent side. So opposite side is 3, so 3 squared plus the adjacent side squared is equal to the hypotenuse 14 squared. So 9 plus the adjacent side squared is equal to whatever that is multiplied. Subtract by 9, that'd be 187. And so the adjacent side is going to be whatever the square root of 187 is. So then I could take and plug that in where the adjacent side goes. Square root 187. Now, they typically don't like having square roots on the bottom, and so I can take that fraction or that ratio and I can rationalize it by multiplying top and bottom by the square root of 187. So I'll get 14 root 187 all over 187. So no more radical on the bottom. I don't know if 14 will go into 187. 7, no, I don't think those will divide evenly. So that'd be my answer. Okay, last question. They tell me I've got two planes and they take off to the same airport. One's going north 35 west. So I'm heading north, but then off of north I gotta go 35 degrees west. And west, this is sort of our directions. So instead of going north, I'm coming off of that by 35 degrees. Now I'm just going to erase this line because it might mix me up. But remember that it's 35 degrees off of north. Then they say somebody else is going east, directly east. So really I need to know what that whole angle is. I know this part's 90, and then I've got another 35. So that whole angle is going to be 125 degrees. Okay, so this one goes 410 for 4 hours, so that'd be 1640. That's how far they would have gone, miles or kilometers, whatever the unit was. And then this guy going east went 336 for 4 hours. So 24, 14, 1344 miles or hours or whatever. Okay, and then they say how far are the two planes apart? What is that distance? Well, we can label the thing. Let's call this A, B, and C. And I know two sides, and I know the contained angle. So that's a law of cosines question. So this side over here is side A. That's what I'm looking for. So the A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of A. So B is 1344 squared, C 1640 squared minus 2 times B times C times by the cosine of that angle, 125 degrees. Okay, so come up with a number for that and then square root it, and you'll have the answer. I hope you have those quick review questions.